DreamLine's popular slimline shower bases are the perfect complement to your bathroom style. This video will cover everything you need to know to successfully choose yours today. DreamLine makes shower bases in a variety of shapes and sizes, so it's important to select the correct type of base for your application. A single threshold base is designed to install to a 3-wall alcove shower. A double threshold base is designed to install to a 2-wall corner or shower enclosure, while Neo-angle and quarter round bases are designed for uniquely shaped corner enclosures. Now, let's talk about how to select the right size base for your project. You'll need to take measurements of your rough opening, as the base is designed to install directly against your studs instead of up against walls that have already been finished with tile, cultured marble, acrylic backwalls, or any other finished wall treatment. Please note, if you are purchasing a shower base for an alcove, it is always best to wait until your finished wall treatments are up on the wall before measuring the opening for an appropriately sized shower door. For an enclosure, the base dimensions will always measure approximately 2 inches larger across the length and width than the corresponding DreamLine shower enclosure. For single threshold bases, drains come in either a left, right, or center location. A center drain in this case means that the drain is centered across the width of the base, but not necessarily the depth. Double threshold bases, on the other hand, come in either a left, right, or corner location. For corner drain locations, be sure to check exactly how far away from the corner the drain is. For all bases, always refer to the technical drawings before purchasing to ensure the location of the drain you're choosing is right for your space. Drain openings are designed to accept a standard 2-inch compression-fitted drain, which is not included, though readily available at all home improvement centers or hardware stores. If you still have questions, our premier DreamLine customer support team is here to help. Thank you for choosing DreamLine. We hope you enjoy the ultimate shower door experience.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.